Implementing the find method is very similar to the insert method, but it's actually easier. Let me show you. So public boolean find, we give it this parameter. Now, just like the insert method, we need to start from the root node and traverse the tree until we find the target node. So we set current to the root node. Next, we need a while loop, but this is not going to be an infinite while loop because it is possible that we don't have this value in our tree. So we want to run this loop as long as current is not null. If our tree is empty, current is going to be null, so this loop is never going to get executed. Now, in this loop, we need to compare this value with the value of the current node. So if value is less than current.value, that means we should go to the left subtree. So we set current to current.left child. Otherwise, if value is greater than the value of the current node, that means we should go to the right subtree. So we set current to current.right child. Otherwise, that means we found the target node. So we simply return true. Now, as we go down this tree, if we don't have this value in our tree, at some point, current is going to get null. So we'll jump out of this loop, and here we'll return false. Let's test our find method. So back to the main class. Instead of printing done, I'm going to print tree.find, let's say 10. So obviously we have 10 in our tree. That's why we get true. What if we look up for 11? We get false. Beautiful.